Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in TBC UZ online mobile banking. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TBC UZ application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here TBC UZ application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find two options: login, registration. If you're the new user, you can simply click on the option registration and register for your account. But if you already have the account, what you have to do is tap on this option login. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, what you have to do is enter your mobile number. So simply enter your mobile number over here. After you enter the mobile number, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. After doing that, you'll be led to another interface. In another interface, you'll be prompted to enter your one-time password. So simply enter the OTP that you received via the text message. Enter the OTP and you'll be logged into your account. In some cases, you may also be prompted to use the biometric authentication if enabled on your device. After that, you'll be logged into your account. Once logged in, you'll be able to access your accounts, manage your finances, and use the various features of TBC UZ mobile banking. So that is how you sign in TBC UZ online mobile banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.